Hello friends! Today we have a fun craft for you to complete with the help of your teacher or caregiver. We're making glow-in-the-dark comets. To complete this craft, you will need a plastic garbage bag, scissors, some ribbon, glow sticks, a small ball like a tennis ball or racquetball, a large bowl, clear packing tape, and a marker. Here's what you'll do. First, with the help of an adult, cut the garbage bag down one side and bottom so it's one big piece of plastic. Next, use the large bowl to trace a circle in the middle of the plastic. Using your scissors, cut strips in the outer edge of the garbage bag to the edges of the circle. Continue all the way around your garbage bag. These will make the comet's tail. Place your ball in the center of the circle and then wrap it up so the comet tails are all facing one way. Tie one piece of ribbon to secure the ball in place. Continue adding ribbon strands until you like how it looks. Using packing tape, secure the glow sticks to some of the strips of the garbage bag. Wait until dark to activate the glow sticks, and then have fun making your comet glow and soar through the air. Ta-da! Here's the finished glow-in-the-dark comet. I hope you enjoyed this craft. I can't wait to see what you create. Bye!